Today, I want to dive into the fascinating world of UMS Watchkeeping, or Unmanned Machinery Space, and how it's revolutionizing marine engineering. Imagine a ship sailing across the vast ocean with minimal human presence in the engine room. This is the reality for many modern vessels, where engineers work remotely to ensure everything runs smoothly. In UMS operations, engineers monitor the ship's machinery from a control room, often located far from the engine room itself. This setup allows for fewer crew members on board, which can significantly reduce costs and enhance safety. But how do these engineers manage such a critical role without being physically present? First, let's talk about the technology involved. Ships equipped for UMS operations have advanced monitoring systems that provide real-time data on engine performance, fuel consumption, and even potential malfunctions. Engineers use these systems to keep an eye on everything from temperature levels to pressure readings. If something goes wrong, alarms alert them immediately, allowing for quick responses even from a distance. Safety is a top priority in UMS watchkeeping. Engineers are trained to handle emergencies effectively, even when they're not on site. They conduct regular drills and simulations to prepare for various scenarios, ensuring that they can act swiftly if an issue arises. Additionally, many ships are equipped with automated safety systems that can take control in critical situations, further minimizing risks. Now, let's discuss the roles of these engineers. They're not just monitoring machines, they're problem solvers and decision makers. When an alarm goes off, they analyze the data, determine the cause, and decide on the best course of action. This requires a deep understanding of marine engineering principles and the ability to think critically under pressure. The future of marine engineering looks promising with the rise of UMS technology. As ships become more automated, the demand for skilled engineers who can manage these systems will only increase. We're seeing a shift toward more remote operations, which means engineers will need to adapt and continue learning throughout their careers. This evolution opens up exciting opportunities for innovation in ship design and operation. Moreover, the environmental impact of UMS technology cannot be overlooked. With fewer crew members on board, ships can be designed to be more fuel efficient, reducing their carbon footprint. Engineers play a crucial role in developing sustainable practices that align with global efforts to protect our oceans. In conclusion, UMS watchkeeping is a game changer in the maritime industry. It combines cutting-edge technology with skilled engineering to create safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly shipping practices. As we continue to explore the depths of marine engineering, it's clear that the future is bright and the ocean journey is just beginning.